Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my secret tricks of cleaning a kadhai in minutes. If you are tired of spending hours scrubbing and cleaning your kadhai, then this video is for you. First, you will need to fill your kadhai in water and add a few drops of dishwash surf and caustic soda and vinegar and baking soda. Eno pouch optional. Then place the kadhai on the stove and turn the heat on high and let the water comes to a boil, and then turn off the heat. But first thing first, to make sure you are wearing gloves to protect your hand. Now here's the secret tricks. Add a few tablespoon of caustic soda to the water, and caustic soda will react with the hot water and create a fizzing effect that will help loosen any stubborn stains or burn on food. And let the kadhai sit for a few minutes until the water has cooled down enough to touch. Then use a scrub brush and a sponge to gently scrub away any remaining stain on food particles. So guys, finally rinse the kadhai thoroughly with the hot water and dry it with a clean towel, and that's it. With the simple tricks, you can clean your kadhai in just a few minutes without any harsh chemicals or elbow greases. So next time you are faced with a dirty kadhai, remember this secret tricks and make clean a breeze. So guys, I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you for watching my video. Your support means the world to me and I couldn't do it this without you. Cleaning content, the entertain and inspire you is my passion, and I am grateful for the opportunity to do what I love every day. Whether you have been following me from the beginning or just recently discover my channel, I appreciate each and every one of you. I recommended to bringing you the best content possible, and I am always looking for all ways to improve and grow as a creator. Your feedback and comment are incredibly valuable to me, so please keep them coming. If you have not already, please consider subscribing to my channel so you never miss a new video. And if you enjoy my content, please share it with your friends and family. Once again, thank you for watching and thank you for support. It means more than words can express. I can't wait to continue creating content that bringing joy and inspiration to your life. Till then, bye, take care guys, and thank you for watching my video.